Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this messy boho braided ponytail. To start with, we're just going to want to loosely curl the hair. I've used a curling tong and I just wrap this around the length of the tong, and then before I let go of the curl, I just give it a little tug just to loosen everything up. Repeat this on the entire head, and when you're done, apply some texture spray and use your fingers and just rake these through the hair to break up those waves. Next, take the front left-hand section, so everything in front of the ear. Twist this towards the head and pin just above ear level at the back of the head using a few bobby pins. Next, use your fingers just to pinch and pull at that twist to loosen everything up. Then we're going to repeat it on the opposite side, so take everything from the ears forward on the right hand side, twist it towards the head, use your fingers to pinch and pull at the twist to loosen it up, and then just pin this below the first twist. Then just loosen up the crown area by pinching and pulling. Next, take a small section of hair just behind the left-hand ear and divide this into 3 equal sections. We're just going to create a regular 3-strand braid, nothing fancy, but just make sure you angle this towards the back of the head so you don't get any weird lumps and bumps. When you've reached the opposite side of the head, use your thumb and finger just to loosen up that braid just by pulling on the outer sections of each twist, and then secure this with a clear elastic band. Just tuck that elastic band under and pin the braid below the previous 2 twists that we've already pinned to the head. Now take a small section of hair from the right and the left side of the head and bring these together at the back and join them together with a clear elastic band. Pop your thumb and finger through the hole and grab hold of that ponytail and pull it through the hole so you're creating another twist. Tighten up the elastic band by pulling on the ponytail, and then use your fingers again to pinch and pull at that twist to give it a nice messy look. So we're just going to create one more of those twists, so take a small section of hair from the left and the right hand side of the head. Bring these together at the back and join them together with a clear elastic band. Pop your fingers through the hole and grab the ponytail and pull it through, giving you a nice little twist, and then just loosen this up by pinching and pulling. And here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.